Children, today we shall learn about multiplication. Okay, multiplying a rational number by an integer. Okay, children, we have already learned multiplication of integers as well as multiplication of fractions, isn't it? Here, multiplying a rational number by an integer. Okay, children, to multiply a rational number, multiply the numerator and the given integer and write in numerator part. Okay, then denominator as it is. Okay, children, so here multiplying a rational number by an integer means first you have to multiply numerator and the given integer and write the product in numerator part, and the denominator, what denominator is given in the question, that denominator write in denominator part. Okay, let us do the first question, children. Example 24. Okay, example 24 from page number 64. Okay, so the first question is 8 by 9 into 54. Okay, here multiplying a rational number. 8 by 9 is a rational number and multiplying by an integer. Here 54 is an integer. Okay, what's our rule? Product of numerator and integer. It is in numerator part, and the denominator part, what denominator is given in the question, that as it is. Okay, so here we can write, the answer step as 8 by 9 into 54 equal to product of numerator and integer. Here numerator is 8, is not? Integer is 54. So in the numerator part, this numerator and this integer, we can find the product of this numerator and integer. Okay, denominator we have, yes, we have only one number, it's a 9. Okay, that 9 as it is we have to write. So here find the product of this 8 and 54 and write in numerator part, and the denominator we have only one number, so we can write 9 in denominator part. Okay, so 54 into 8. Okay, so say the 8th table, 8 fours are 32, is not? Reminder 3, 8 fives are 40, is not? 40 plus 3, yes, so 43. So 432, that's the product of this numerator and an integer. So 432 we got, denominator is 9. Okay, children, here 432 divided by 9. So simplify this numerator and denominator if possible. Okay, so here 432 divided by 9. Okay, so we can use a 9th table. See, 1 9 is 9. Okay, so here 9 fours are 36, is it not? 9 fours are 36. Here we have 43, 9 fours are 36, 43 minus 36, 7, is it not? So here already 2 is there, that 7 and 2 becomes 72. Okay, 4, 9, 8 are 72, is it not? So here how many times 9? 48 times 9 are 432. Okay, denominator 1. Okay, children, so if denominator is 1, numerator 48, denominator 1, isn't it? Denominator 1 means no need to mention that denominator. We can write the answer as, yes, the numerator only, because any number divided by 1 we will get the same number, isn't it? So 48, we can write 48 only, that's the answer. Okay, children, so 8 by 9 into 54 equal to, what's the answer? 48. Okay, understood? So the answer step we can write as, yes, 8 by 9 into 54 equal to 48. Okay, children. Look at the next question, 7 by 15 into 40. Okay, here 7 by 15 is a rational number and 40 is an integer. Okay, children. So here multiply the numerator and an integer. Find the product of a numerator and integer and write in numerator part, and the denominator here 5. 15 is the denominator, that is in denominator part. Okay, so we can multiply here 7 into 40, that is in numerator part, then denominator 15. Okay, so here numerator, see 40 into 7. So here we can multiply the number 4 sevens are 28. We can give 1 0 at the end of the number, is not so? 40 into 7, 280. Okay, then divided by 15. Okay children, so if possible we can we can simplify the numerator and the denominator here. It's end, that means 1's place 0, here 5. So we can divisible by 5th table, is not this one. Okay, here 280 divided by 15, is not? We can divide by 5. Okay, 5 3's are 15, is not? Here if we divide this 280 divided by 5, see 5 5's are 25. Here 28 is there, 28 minus 25 3, is not? So here 0, that 3 and this 0 becomes 30. So 5 6 are 30, is not? Now 56 is in numerator, 3 is in denominator, is not? So 56 is an even number, 3 is an odd number. So there is no common factor between 56 and 3. So we can't simplify here. So that's the answer. Okay, 56 by 3 is the answer. Children, next method is multiplying two rational numbers. Okay, multiplying two rational numbers. Here multiply the numerators and write in numerator part, multiply the denominators and write in denominator part. Okay, multiplying two rational numbers means product of numerators divided by product of denominators. Let us do the first example children. Example 24C. Okay, 14 by 5 into 30 by minus 7. Here there are two rational numbers. We are going to multiply these two rational numbers. Okay, here multiply the numerators and denominators separately. Okay, so here our numerator part product of numerators, in denominator part product of denominators. Okay, so here multiply the numerator separately, denominator separately. Okay, numerator part 14 and here 30, is not? The first rational number 14 is the numerator, the second rational number 30 is the numerator. Okay, so 14 into 30, that is in numerator part. Then multiply denominator separately. In denominator part 5, here in the second rational number minus 7 is the denominator. Okay, so 5 multiply with the minus 7. Okay children, so 14 into 30. So we can multiply 14 into 3, then we can give at the end of the number we can give 1 0. Okay, so 14 into 3, 14 3's are 3 4's are 12, remainder 1, 1 3 is 3, 3 plus 1 4. Okay, 14 3's are 42. At the end of the number we can give this 0. So 14 into 30 means 420. Okay, then in denominator part 5 into 7. What's the product of 5 and 7? 5 7's are 35. Okay, here minus 35. Here the sign is plus, plus into minus, minus, is not? Minus 35. So if possible we can reduce into simplest form. Okay children, so here 0, here 5, 1's place 0 5. So we can these numbers are divisible by 5th table, is not? So we can reduce this into lowest term. So 420 divided by 35, we can divide by both the numerator and the denominator by 5. Okay, 5th table. So 5 7's are 35. Okay, 5 7's are 35. Here 5th table, 5 8's are 40, is not? Here 42 is there. So 8 5's are 40. Then here 42 minus 42 is not 2. Then this 0 becomes 20. Okay, so 5 4s are 20. Now numerator 84, denominator 7 is not, so we can divide by 7th table. 177 is not here. 177, remainder 1. 8 minus 7, 1 is not, so that 1 and 4 becomes 14. 7 2s are 14. Okay, so 12 divided by 1. So denominator 1 means, yes, we just you write the numerator. Okay, 12. Here minus is there, that minus also we have to mention here. Okay, so minus 12. So the answer is 14 divided by 5 into 30 divided by minus 7 is equal to minus 12. Okay. So that's the answer. Look at the next question, children. Example 24D. Okay, minus 7 by 6 into 24 divided by minus 63. So how will you write? Yes, we have the rule, multiply the numerators separately, denominators separately. Okay, first find the product of the numerators. Yes, divided by product of denominators. So here minus 7 and 24 are the numerators, so we can multiply these two. Then denominators are 6 and minus 63, isn't it? So we can find the product of 6 and minus 63. Okay, so minus 7 into 24. What is 24 into 7? 7 4s are 28. A remainder 2. 7 2s are 14. 14 plus 2, 16, isn't it? Then minus is there, so we can write minus. So 24 into 7, 168. Then 63 into 6. 6 into 3. 6 3s are 18. Remainder 1. 6 6 are 36 plus 1, 37. Okay, here also plus into minus minus. Okay, so minus 378. So we got minus 168 by minus 378. See, we have to simplify, isn't it? If possible, we can simplify. So here 168 divided by 378. See, both are even numbers, so we can divisible by 2. Okay, so 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8, isn't it? Here also we can divide by 2. 1 2 is 2, here 3 is there now, so 3 minus 2 1, so that 1 and this 7 becomes 17. So 8 2s are 16, so again 17 minus 16 1, that 1 and this 8 becomes 18. So 9 2s are 18, isn't it? So now 84 189. 189 is an odd number, so it's not divisible by 2, isn't it? So here 8 plus 4 12. Take the sum of the digits 8 and 4. So sum of the digit is 8 plus 4 12, isn't it? So that means 12 is in the third table, isn't it? So this 84 is divided by 3. Okay, 84 is divisible by 3. Here take the sum of the digits. See, 1 plus 8 plus 9. What is 1 plus 8? 9, isn't it? 9 plus 9, 18. 18 also in the third table, isn't it? So this 189 also divisible by 3. So both the numbers are divisible by 3, so we can divide by 3. See, 3 2s are 6, isn't it? 8 minus 6 2. That 2 and this 4 becomes 24. So here 8 3s are 24. So 28, isn't it? Here also divide by 3. So here 6 3s are 18. 3 3s are 9. Okay. Now we got a numerator 28, denominator 63, isn't it? 28 and 63. These numbers are in which table? 28 is in 7th table, isn't it? 63 also in 7th table. So we can easily divide by 7. 7 4s are 28. Here 7 9s are 63. Okay, 4 by 9. Here 4 is an even number, 9 is an odd number. So we can't divide further, so we can stop here. 4 by 9 is the answer. Okay, so here already that is sign minus, so minus 4, here we have minus 9. Last we can write the answer. See, minus divided by minus is not so. Minus divided by minus means it becomes plus. Okay, so minus 4 by minus 9 becomes 4 by 9. Okay, that's the answer. Okay, children. The next is reciprocals. Okay, when the product of two rational numbers equal to 1, then each rational number is the reciprocal of the other. That means reciprocal of a rational number p by q is q by p. Just inverted. Okay, reciprocal of a rational number p by q is q by p. That means when the product of two rational numbers is equal to 1, then each rational number is the reciprocal of the other. That means rational number p by reciprocal of a rational number p by q is q by p, or reciprocal of a rational number q by p is p by q. Okay, just take the invert of the that rational number is inverted means we will get the reciprocal. Understood? When the product of two rational numbers equal to 1, then each rational number is the reciprocal of the other. Reciprocal of a rational number p by q is q by p. Look at these examples. The reciprocal of 6 by 7 is, yes, what's the reciprocal of 6 by 7? Yes, just take the invert of the number. Okay, here 7 by 6. Okay, 7 by 6. Then reciprocal of minus 4 by 9. Yes, minus 9 by 4. Okay, don't change the sign, just change the number. Okay, write the numerator as a denominator, denominator as numerator. Okay, then reciprocal of 3 by 5 is, yes, 5 by 3. Okay, children, next we shall learn about division. Okay, division of rational numbers. To find a by b divided by c by d. Okay, here we are going to divide the two rational numbers a by b divided by c by d. That means just you take the reciprocal of this divisor. Okay, this second number, rational number is there now. Take the reciprocal of this divisor and multiply with the, yes, dividend. Okay, children. So first to divide two rational numbers, take the reciprocal of the divisor, then multiply with the dividend. Okay, children. So here our dividend is a by b, is it not? A by b. Then take the reciprocal of this divisor. What is the reciprocal of divisor? C by d. Yes, d by c, is it not? Next, not division, we are going to, yes, multiply. Understood, children? So how will you divide two rational numbers? Yes, take the reciprocal of the divisor, then multiply with the dividend. Okay, so the answer is, yeah, after that our now we study multiplying by two rational numbers. Multiply the numerator separately and the denominator separately. So a into d, numerators are a and d. So multiply product of a and d is ad. Then multiply the denominator separately, that is b into c is bc. Okay, children, understood? Just take the reciprocal of the divisor, then multiply, not divide, multiply with the dividend. Okay, after that multiply the numerators and the denominators separately. Okay, children, understood? Example 27. Okay, we can, let us do the first subdivision A. 64 divided by 8 by 5. 64 divided by 8 by 5. Okay, so here divisor is 8 by 5. So take the reciprocal of this divisor and multiply with the dividend. Okay, so the dividend is 64 here. multiply the reciprocal of the divisor. What is the reciprocal of the divisor? 8 by 5? Yes, 5 by 8. Okay, then not division. After taking the reciprocal, we have to multiply. Okay, remember this. Now we can multiply the numerator separately. Here numerator 64 is not, because it's a whole number, integer. So 64 multiply with 5, that is in numerator part. Okay, denominator we have only one denominator, 8. Okay children, so if possible we can simplify this. Before multiplying we can simplify, means also no problem, we can divide. See here 64 into 5 numerator divided by 8. Okay, see 8th table 64 is there, is not? So 180 is 8, 8 8s are 64. Okay, so we can before multiplying the numerator we can cancel easily. So 8 1 is 8, 8 8s are 64. See here denominator 1 we got, so we can't simplify further. So we can multiply the numerator. Okay, 8 into 5, 8 5s are 40. Denominator 1, is it not? So no need to mention that denominator. So answer is 40. Look at the next question children. The same example 27, the second B subdivision B. Okay, so how will you write? First we have to write the dividend. Okay, then division becomes multiplication. Then take the reciprocal of this minus 3 by 2. That means minus 3 by 2 reciprocal is minus 2 by 3. Okay, 2 by 3. Okay children, before multiplying, see here numerator multiply separately, denominator multiply separately. Okay, so here 96 into minus 2, denominator 3. Okay, if possible we can simplify this. Before multiplying we can divide, then that means we can cancel the numbers easily. Okay, so here 9 6 is in third table, so we can cancel by 9. Okay, divide by 3. Okay, denominator we have 3, so 96 is divisible by 3. So 1 3 is 3. Here 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6. Okay, so here we got 1, so further we can divide. So 32, here minus 2. So denominator 1, no need to mention. 32 into 2, 32 2s are 64. So minus is there, 32 into minus 2, so minus 64. Okay children, that's the answer. Look at the next example children. Minus 15 by 7 divided by minus 4 by 21. Okay, so take the reciprocal of this divisor, then multiply with the dividend. Okay, so we can write the dividend first as it is, minus 15 by 7. Then here division becomes a symbol, multiplication. Then take the reciprocal of minus 4 by 21. Okay, so minus 21 by 4. Okay children, so multiply the numerator separately, denominator separately. So numerator minus 15 into minus 21. Okay, here denominator 7 into 4. Okay children, 7 into 4. Here we can cancel the numbers. See 7 and 21 are in 7th table, isn't it? So we can cancel this. 1 7 is 7. Here 3 7s are 21. Okay, minus 3. Minus 21 divided by 7, minus 3. Okay, then 4 is an even number. Here we can't divide 4 to 15 by 4 or 3 by 4. So we can remaining what numerators we got, just multiply and write. Here what denominators we got, multiply and write in denominator part. So in numerator part minus 15 into minus 3, in denominator part 1 into 4. Okay, so here 15 3s are 45, is it not? Then minus into minus, plus 1 into 4 4. Okay, 45 by 4. Okay, 15 threes are 45. Okay children, 15 threes are 45. Then 1 into 4, 4. So what's the answer? 45 divided by 4 is the answer. Let us do the next example children. Minus 80 by 9 divided by 10 by 36. So first of all take the reciprocal of this divisor, then multiply with the dividend. Okay, so we can write the dividend first. Minus 80 by 9, then division becomes multiplication. What's the reciprocal of 10 by 36? Yes, 36 by 10. Okay, then multiply the numerator separately. Okay, multiply the denominator separately. Okay, 9 into 10. Okay children, now we can reduce the simplify the numerators and denominators. Before multiplying the numerator and the denominator, we can cancel the numbers. Okay, we can divide if possible. After that, remaining terms we can multiply. See, 9 and 36. 9, 36 are in 9th table, isn't it? So we can cancel 9 and 36. 1 9 is 9. 4 9s are 36. Okay. Then 10 and 80. Both are in 10th table, isn't it? So 110 is 10. Here, yes, 8 tens are 80 minus also, minus 8. Okay, here denominator we got 1, numerator we have minus 8 into 4. Okay, minus 8 into 4. So, minus 8 into 4. So, minus 8 fours are, yes, 32. Okay, denominator we have 1. So, no need to mention that 1 here. Okay, minus 32 is the answer. We have homework children. Book page number 64. Try these 11th question from 11th, first and third problems. Okay. Then page number 65. In the next page, try these 12 from first problem A subdivision and C. From second problem A and subdivisions A and C. Okay children, do these as homework. Okay, thank you.